Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the MCAT in 1 month. First, assess your current knowledge by taking a diagnostic test to pinpoint your strengths and weaknesses. Then, create a realistic daily and weekly study schedule, allocating specific time blocks for each subject. Prioritize high-yield topics to maximize your score potential. Remember to integrate practice questions from the very beginning. For effective content review, dedicate specific daily blocks to each subject, focusing on understanding concepts rather than just memorizing. Immediately follow content review with practice questions to solidify your learning. Thoroughly analyze every incorrect answer, understanding why you made the mistake. Employ active recall and spaced repetition to ensure long-term retention of critical information and formulas. Taking full-length practice exams is crucial. Aim for at least 2 to 3 exams, simulating actual test day conditions as closely as possible. This helps build stamina and manage time effectively. After each exam, conduct a detailed analysis to identify recurring weaknesses and areas needing more attention. Use this valuable feedback to refine your study plan and target specific improvements. During your final week, focus on reviewing high-yield concepts and your personal notes rather than learning new material. Prioritize adequate rest and stress reduction to ensure you are fresh and focused. Confirm all test day logistics, including your route and required identification. Trust in your preparation and maintain a positive mindset. You've worked hard for this moment.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.